Here at Freeborn County Highway Department, we have 630 miles that we have to maintain. We have all sorts of different seasons. In the wintertime, we can be out moving snow at negative 25 degrees, or in the middle of July, we can be working out in 95 degrees. Virtually everything that we have for heavy equipment is Caterpillar. Ziegler Cat is always making sure that our equipment is operating and we're able to keep our roads clear. Our CSR is always there. He just shows up and just makes sure that everything is working as it should be.
The role of a CSR at Ziegler is basically taking care of the customer, making sure that at the end of the day, things are running right and things are going smoothly. I probably talk to at least somebody from Freeborn County once a week. Sometimes we get calls late at night and they need something for the next morning. It's just a matter of coordinating that to make sure it happens.
We had a transmission that went down this winter, and they were there with a loaner the following day. Ziegler's always keeping our downtime to a minimum.
Service that is provided, it is helpful out on the road. I had a hydraulic hose go down and started rupturing, and I took my phone and I Snapchat him. The field tech then took the video, figured out which hose he could get, and we replaced it that night.
The biggest reason customers choose Ziegler is the relationships and the timeliness with getting parts and keeping their machines running. Try to treat it as if it's your own company or you are the customer.
We're on call 24/7. That machine always has to be able to run every day, every hour of the day.
The Ziegler way is going the extra mile and making sure that the customer is taken care of from start to finish.
When you're working for the public, everything has to be operating, and so the roads are clear, and Ziegler's always got our back.